Where is it? Let's see. Is it still there? Yeah. Okay, I will take it. It's for €2.57. Sometimes you need to climb stairs. So right now I'm going down. I actually did 2 orders for Wolt and 4 orders for Wolt already. And right now I'm going to pick up my 5th order for Wolt. So there will be like 7 orders together. It's another stairs. I have lift, but it was on the 5th floor, and I'm going to the 3rd floor. I have just delivered my 6th order for Wolt, and I think I still have 2 orders for Wolt. Right now it shows here the delivery demand is medium, so I have a bundle order. This one is the first one, and I'm going to pick up the 2nd order. And I'm going here to Tasty Park to pick up my 2nd order. Here, double order again. 1 order is already in my bag, and I'm going to pick up the 2nd order. I have been trying for a long time to record a video for my YouTube channel, and it has been a struggle. Sometimes because of my camera. Right now it's really like warm weather, but when it was cold, I would start recording a video, and suddenly my camera would say battery low, even when it is like, I don't know, 70%. It says battery low because it's like frozen, you know. But these days it has been really warm. Like right now there is sun. It's perfectly warm. I don't even need these gloves. No, I think I need because of like going on the bicycle and the wind. I need a little bit to have gloves, but telling you it is quite warm already. Finally, my e-bike's battery is dying. I have only 2 bars. Yo, that waiting for the last order took everything out of me. And actually I have now like marked the order delivered, and I don't have any order. The delivery demand is quiet, so we are gonna be without any order for a while. But let me see how many orders I made for Wolt. 8. I made 8 orders. For Wolt, I think still 2. Let me see. Wolt, I still have 2 orders. Alright guys, right now I am offline. What is the time? Let me see. It is 2:53. I went offline on both apps. And I am going to pick up some stuff in DM Drogeria, and after that I will go home and I will charge my battery. I will also eat something, and in the evening I will work again. For now I have only 10 orders completed, and hopefully if I will be able to make 10 orders in the evening, it will be 20 together, and I think it would be a good day. For now, I want to say thank you for watching my video and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.